Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Wednesday the 2nd of October. And today was another fun day in the markets. We had a pretty large gap down here. We grabbed our first trade right around here. We grabbed a long and we were able to ride that up, taking profit on the way, and then kind of just watch things as they unfolded. Market dipped down a little bit and then started to move a little bit higher. We did grab a long up here, which we did take profit on a little sooner than later, and then the market did keep coming up a little bit more and a little more into that 12 o'clock time period. So today we made two trades and pulled 4.5 points out of the market. Definitely not too bad for 4 trades. Round down, let's say 4 points at $50 per point. That's $200 for 2.5 hours. And we don't do anything really. We sat there, watched the screen, make a couple trades. Taking 2 trades in a 2.5 hour period, you are going to watch the market a lot, and that's pretty much what trading is about. Trading really should be boring. Once it does become that way, that's when you know that you've made it into the next level of your trading, or the next phase of your trading career. Being boring, you're able to better analyze the market and see things as they set up, and you're able to say objectively, I want to take this trade or I don't want to take this trade. And that's very, very important, from the standpoint of being a professional trader, because that's what we do every day. We decide, I like this trade, I sort of like this trade, but, I don't like it enough to actually take it. And sometimes those work out, sometimes they don't. Over time, most of them probably don't. But you really need to learn, how you actually do trade, and, just go out there and make it happen. So anyway, today we did pull out 4.5 points. Definitely very good. We'll add that to yesterday's total, and definitely getting October off to a nice start. And that's, really what my goal really is to, make consistent income. And I want to make as much as possible, but I'm not going to sacrifice my trading style just to make a couple extra dollars, because in reality, for me, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can make enough money, you don't have to make a fortune. A lot of new traders, they come into the industry, they want to take a $10,000 account and turn it into $1 million, the next year. It's very, very unrealistic. You can take a $10,000 account, turn it into $20,000, $30,000. It's possible, but turn it into $1 million is, you would have to have so much risk. That entire $10,000, you would have to be comfortable with losing it, because most likely you will lose it. But anyway, that's just a little bit. I wanted to talk about that. Hopefully it made sense to you. Hopefully you got something out of it. With that, thanks for watching the video. You can always leave comments below. I encourage questions. No such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, definitely ask. I encourage it. I was once a new trader. I had a ton of questions. I didn't really have a forum that I could ask them. I didn't have anybody who, I actually was able to look up to as a trader. I knew other struggling traders, but that doesn't really help. You don't learn how to be a carpenter from someone who doesn't know how to hammer a nail. It's the same concept. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.